Alright, so I wanted to show you guys some of the things I've been working on. This is what I kind of plan to make this spring slash summer. Some of it will be a little bit fall related, but I wanted to go ahead and show you guys. So we'll start with this one. So here I have just like a regular tank top, and then I have some pants that have like stripe, and I think I want to make this out of like a linen or some type of cotton fabric. I found this design here on Pinterest and I kind of really like it. Hopefully I can find something similar to it, or I might just get it printed using something like Spoonflower. I do like striped pants, so I definitely want to get some more. I might even also do this in a knit fabric. All right, and we'll go to the next item. Okay, so this is just like a little top, and here, let's see if I can bring this so you can see it more. So this was actually an AI art that I had created, and I like the way the top was, so I want to kind of create that for myself, and this is what I kind of came up with for that. And the shorts here are very much similar to some that I already have made, and I like those so much. They're so comfortable. They're perfect for the summertime, and when it's like really hot during the day, to just put them on. And I want to recreate them so that they're high-waisted and they fit me a little better. When I made them originally, it was out of like a silky fabric and a really lightweight denim. And I still have some denim, so I'm gonna remake them with that and maybe do kind of like a reverse stripe, because the denim I had on my last one was on the stripe on the side, and I think I want to make it more of a solid piece with the contrasting fabric on the side. So that is my second plan, or second outfit plan. And next one is this. Okay, so this is based off of some kind of like sweatpants type DIYs I've seen from other people, and I just got the idea. I think I want to do two different versions of this, one in a thicker fabric for more of the fall winter, and then a lighter fabric that I could possibly do in spring and summer. And so what you're seeing here is like in this area here is more of a corset, and it's going to be more tight fitting, and then there's going to be some ruching up in this area here. So I wanted to do something like that and then have like some contrasting fabric. Now this could be a print, or it could just be a solid color. I haven't really made like a decision on that, but I wanted to kind of do that as an option. And let me see if I can move this. Let's see if I can hide some of this stuff so you can kind of see. Nope, that's not what I was trying to hide. Okay. Okay, so here you can have like a little bit better look at the pants, and they're gonna have pockets. This seam here is just for looks, and it'll be more of a stretchy kind of thing, but I put a belt loop here because what I like to do is I have my keys on one of those like carabiner type things, and I like to just have it like hooked onto my pants just to make it easier for me to like grab it whenever I'm going to get into the car. So this is the third outfit that I have, and then I just put like some notes on here just to give me an idea of where I'm going with that. All right, let's go on to the next one. All right, so this one's kind of really simple. The skirt is just going to be like a square skirt that's gathered up so that it's nice and flowy, nice and breathable. I'll probably use like a silky fabric or some type of rayon, something that's going to be flowy and also breathable. And then the top is going to be more like a bra. So I want that to be like double line, make sure, because one thing that's like really annoying during the summertime is wearing a bra underneath all of your clothes and being hot. So I wanted to make something that was going to be easy to put on and has the cool design. I was watching a video from the Sorry Girls, and she had on a top that I really, really liked, and I wanted to kind of recreate that while I was watching it, but I didn't go back to the video to see exactly how it was shaped. So I just came up with this design, but I think I'll do a couple of them with different like cutouts for the back. And I think that's just, you know, a good staple to have. And then I can wear it with so many other things. All right, and let's go back to the last thing I have so far. So this one right here is a robe. And the robe, I've been like looking for robes. I want one for the summer and one for the winter. And I've been having a hard time because everything's kind of basic to me, and I couldn't figure out like what what would be the best thing. Like, even I'm having a hard time just saying this. And I wanted something that was going to be a little more intricate, but also comfortable and easy to put on. Now, I still haven't decided on the closures for this, but I have come down to the design. And the reason why you see the like tie-dye in the yellow is because I've already bought the fabric, which is something I don't well, actually I do typically do, but I had this in mind when I was doing it. It was just the design that I was going to do it in, I ended up not liking. So I came up with this design, and this is very similar to the sweatshirt outfit, and it's going to have like a corset area here in the middle, but I've added this extra detailing where I do panels, and in between those panels I'm going to put the yellow fabric, and that's just going to make it have a little bit more contrast, and it's going to fit tightly or tighter around the waist. And once I decide on what kind of closures I'm going to do on there, I think it's going to come out really nice. And then like the front bodice area is going to have like slight ruching, just a little bit of looseness. That way it's really comfortable. And then I think I'm going to do about calf length. And then the sleeves are going to have like a little bit of billowing or whatever you want to call it, but I don't want it to be too much because I don't want it to get in the way of things as I'm like moving throughout the day. I want it to be as easy and as simple as possible. And here you can kind of see on the arm, like each one is kind of a different length, but I think I want to go with the one that's slightly shorter, and then this is going to be more elasticated there. So these are the designs I have, and I have a couple of other ideas I just haven't sketched out, and I'm looking forward to, you know, making this over the next few months, and hopefully we'll have a lot of good videos, and I'll show you the process of like me getting together the patterns, maybe even doing a couple of mock-ups, and then actually creating the item and seeing the final look. All right, well, thank you for paying attention to this part of the video, and I hope you enjoy everything that I end up doing. All right. Thank you for tuning into this video. I know it was something different than what I've done before, but I wanted to kind of show you guys the process of me kind of going through and deciding on what I'm going to make. This is the first time I've actually like gone through and plan out what I want to make. And, you know, some things will change, and some things I may end up making more of, and other things I might scrap all together or wait until later or do a different version of it. But this is my initial plan of what I want to have, at least for this spring summer session or season. And the fall stuff that I have in there, that might change, but some of those pieces can be adapted so that I can wear them during the spring and summer. So like those pants in the first one, that could be made out of, easily made out of like a linen fabric and still work just the same. So I'll be going through each one of the items and making a pattern and going through and sewing the pattern together, doing mock-ups, and I'll be taking you guys along that process. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.